Namaste. Why we should love wildlife? I'm going to say some points of that. Wildlife brings you closer to the nature. Wildlife gives wind power, strength, and magical and beautiful nature. They create as strong mountains and green trees and blue sky also. We must protect them. We must protect them and take care of the animals and love them and care of them. Animals give happiness and relieve tension. India is also established for wildlife and wildlife natures, and we have many natural parks, many natural parks, 89 natural parks and 13 bioresearch and 400 wildlife sanctuaries. Thank you. Oh, we 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 save our wildlife, love our nature. Thank you. Jai Hind.